Wake up, Neo. The Matrix has you. Follow the white rabbit.
Oh, white rabbit.
Now this scene is so powerful in the movie because Neo represents the neocortex and Thomas Anderson represents the everyday man. So Neo is the hacker of his own life, the hacker of the Matrix. That's why he represents a computer hacker. So as Neo hears this knock at his door, he opens it up, and as he opens it up, he's just looking out with one eye, and it's room 101, which is a direct reference to the movie and the book 1984 by George Orwell, and it represents the place where your deepest fears lie. So Neo is stuck, and Thomas Anderson is stuck in his deepest fears in this apartment. Now, he goes and gets something for these other hackers that he's talking with. And he opens up this book, and the book is called Simulacra in Simulation. It's actually the book that inspired the movie. And this book is about how our perceptions are always being misguided, and we're being misled into a dream world. And we're being given this map and signs and symbols to pull an illusion over our eyes to blind us from the truth. So this movie has all these different metaphorical examples. It's an allegory. It has all this hidden meaning within it that most people are just going to miss. So what happens after this is he goes out again, and they ask him if he wants to go with them, and he sees the white rabbit on the girl's arm.
It'll be fun, I promise.
So he decides to follow and step into the stream of synchronicity. You know, when you are synced up in life and you find this alignment, you are being asked to follow that intuition, to follow that synchronicity. So he follows, and he goes and he meets Trinity.
Hello, Neo.
How do you know that name?
Now, Trinity represents the heart. So this is the heart meeting with the higher thinking. And she has a conversation with him. He says,
I know why you're here, Neo. I know what you've been doing.
sit at home alone, you're looking for something, you're looking for him. And she says,
I know, because I was once looking for the same thing.
and when I found him, he said, I wasn't looking for him, I was looking for an answer. And she said, what's that answer? And he says, the Matrix. She says,
It's looking for you. And it will find you if you want it to.
now, think about this. Morpheus represented knowledge, the truth, or in Greek mythology, the god of dreams. So it was the heart reaching out, having the desire to find truth. So then mind and the heart were aligned, going and caring enough, desiring enough to find truth, that finally Trinity brought Neo to meet the truth.
He knows more than you can imagine.
And then he had a choice to make. He could either stay in Wonderland and chase the truth, or he could go back to being Thomas Anderson, and we all know where that path would lead. So I want you to think about this in your life. If you don't have a strong enough desire for truth, and if you don't truly want to find out something more beyond what you have been told reality is, then you're not going to find it, it's not going to find you. But if you do, and you align your higher thinking with your heart, and you go out and you really search for that knowledge, it will find you, just like this video found you and you watched to the end. So congratulations on that, because it shows that you are the Neo of your life. You are the one. You are the one who can affect change, which is fucking amazing. So share this video with someone else that you believe also is waking up to the next level.